Let's learn how to fix the issue of ringer sound volume getting low on incoming calls. If you are annoyed that you can't hear your phone ring well when it is in your pocket and someone calls you, but you don't know how to solve this problem, you don't need to worry anymore because after watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. When you open Settings, you'll be on a page with many options. To find the option you need, you will need to scroll down a bit. Once you've done that, you need to click on the option called Face ID and Passcode. When you click on that option, a page will open where you need to enter your phone's passcode. After you do that, a page will open with several options. Now on that page, you need to scroll down until you reach the section called Attention. When you get to that section, you'll see a few options. For this tutorial, you need to turn off the option called Attention Aware Features. Once you turn off that option, you will no longer have the problem of the ringer volume lowering when your phone is in your pocket. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.